We've previously done a video where we showed that putting a tensor ring on the electric meter outside the house had a beneficial impact on eliminating the EMFs that were emanating from the meter itself. Some viewers have asked us to do a video to show what impact, if any, putting that tensor ring on the electric meter would have on EMFs coming from other household appliances. So we're going to show two today that do have a positive impact when the tensor ring is placed on the electric meter outside. One of those is a traditional home electric clothes dryer. We're going to show you that the EMF levels on the dryer before we turn it on, and obviously we have not yet put the tensor ring onto the electric meter outside. So we're going to test this, and then we're going to go downstairs and test the television after this. So here we see that there's very little in the way of EMFs coming off at this moment. Now we're going to turn the dryer on to show you the level of EMFs coming off now that the dryer is actually activated. And you can see there's a significant increase in the EMFs resulting from the dryer. So we're going to go downstairs now. You see that before applying the tensor ring there is a pretty significant amount of EMFs coming off of the electric dryer. Now we're downstairs and we're going to test the television, another common source of EMFs. And first we're going to check for EMF radiation while the TV is off. So we're going to test for that now. You can see very little in the way of EMFs while the television is in the off position. Now we're going to turn it on and see what's happening. This particular TV we use solely for watching things from the internet. So we've taken the laptop that we normally connect to this TV away because it has its own EMF protection devices on it. That's why you're not seeing any signal other than the no signal sign, but it is on, and we're going to see that there's plenty of EMF pollution coming off of the television. Now we're going to go outside, put that tensor ring on, and we're going to go back and check the dryer and the TV to see what EMF radiation is still coming off after we place that ring on the electric meter. So here we are quickly, we're outside. Before we didn't have a tensor ring on the electric meter, we placed it on now. Now we're going to go back and see what kind of EMF pollution we're getting off of the dryer and the television. Okay, we're back upstairs now. We placed the tensor ring on the electric meter outside. We're going to turn on the dryer and we're going to see what level of EMFs we get now that the tensor ring is on the electric meter. As you can see, it's eliminated. So there is a whole house effect, at least with respect to the clothes dryer, by having a tensor ring on the electric meter. Okay, finally we're back downstairs. Again, we've placed the tensor ring on the electric meter, and now we're going to check for EMF pollution off of the television set. As you can see, TV EMFs have been remediated. So there's clearly a positive whole house effect available by placing the tensor ring on the electric meter. As we've seen, however, from the refrigerator, there are elements in the house that are going to need additional EMF remediation. So although putting it on the electric meter is definitely a positive throughout the house, you'll definitely want to consider putting separate tensor rings on certain of your appliances, including your microwave oven, your computers, your laptop, your phone, and your refrigerator. Thanks for watching.